Okay, so you guys, here I just have a the back of an envelope. I don't use sponges or anything like that to do my fans. I just use an envelope and I just put it on the back, or a piece of paper or some cardboard or something. There's little lashes still on it because I just made a couple fans and then decided to record this video for you guys. So I'm doing them on the back of the envelope. What you're also going to need is you're going to need your lashes. So I put them on the back of my hand. These lashes are actually from my collection. You see they're 0.07 cc 17 millimeter volume fans. You guys can see it. Sorry, my ring light's in the way. So yeah, these are the lashes. I love these lashes. These lashes are from my collection and they're wonderful. I'm not even just saying that because they're from my collection. I worked so hard to find a vendor with good lashes, and I obviously use my lashes as well. Also, I have my glue ring, and I have my glue inside of the glue ring. This glue is also from my collection. It's the 1 second drying glue. Please do not mind my nails, you guys. I've been lashing all day, so I have like glue and stuff everywhere. Also, what you're going to need is some volume tweezers. So these are the volume tweezers I used, also from my collection. I also have these tweezers. These ones, if you guys can see, there's like stuff on them, but I also have these tweezers. I don't really like these tweezers. A lot of people use them, but I personally do not like them. These tweezers are not from my collection. I actually got these sent to me from somebody of my vendor actually sent them to me, but I don't like them. The reason I don't like these tweezers is because of the quality. So if you guys can see, okay, you can see right there, like the tweezers bent, and I don't even remember how. Maybe I put something too heavy on it, who knows. Okay, so with regular volume, I don't really have a select number of how many lashes I pick up. Also, you guys, what I did was I also already put a little bit of priming oil on the base of the lashes. But yes, I don't really have a select number. I pick up between 4 to 5 lashes. It just all depends. I don't really have a select number though. I don't really like sit here and go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I don't do that. It's typically like 3, 4, maybe 5. Let's have to pick it up. So you see, I pick it up. So the method that I use is the pinch method. I think that's the most easiest method. The only time I'll use the shimmy method or the shake method is when I'm doing when I'm doing lashes with 0.03 lashes, the mega volumes, because I find that it's easier to do with them versus 0.07s or 0.05s. That's just my personal opinion. So as you guys can see, ooh, that fell apart. So I'm gonna do that over because that one fell apart. That's another thing with my long nails, for some reason, because for some reason, like with my long nails, it's like kind of not harder for me to fan, but the process is more complex. And when you're fanning, you have to like hold your breath literally because it's so important. So I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm doing in a second. Okay. Boom. You see? Is it focusing? The snatched volume fan. Okay, so now I can explain to you guys what I did. I just wanted to show you one of them. So, what you do is you just select a couple lashes, pick it up, you put it in between your finger, you hold it, and you just twist it and like shimmy it and pinch the bottom. If the lashes fall to the side like mine just did right here, just push them back up. And you see how that fan came out? Then what you do is you just pick it up and you grab tightly. And I always keep my fingers clenched so I can make sure I get that snatched base on that volume fan. You dip it in your glue. I make sure to like do that a little bit. You dip it in your glue, not too much glue. What I just did probably is too much glue, but you dip it in your glue, not too much. And you see how that volume fan came out? Perfect. I'm just gonna sit it down. It fell to the side, you guys, but you guys saw how it was. Oh, So I'm going to show you one more time, then I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the Mega Volume. So grab a select amount, pick it up, hold it, pinch, do a little shimmy. You see how that fanned out? Pick it up, dip it in your glue, and there you go, a perfect volume fan. Okay, when you guys are doing your volume lashes, you want to make sure your fans are open like this and not closed. Closed fans are a no-no, okay? So make sure your fans are always open like this, never closed. So you guys see, perfect. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Mega Volume. With Mega Volume, you normally are supposed to use 0.03. Yeah, 0.03 lashes. Today I'm just going to be using 0.03 double D lashes from my lash collection also. To do this. 1 second. So here's those lashes. Yes, these lashes are longer, you guys. These are like the lashes that I offer. So because this is double D, these are in 21 millimeters. So if you guys can see how it like curves, how that curve is on it, and like you can see, like they're really lengthy. They're 21 millimeters. Same concept, same process. Only thing different is you're gonna pick up more lashes, so you can pick up an abundant amount of lashes, right? Pick it up. Oh, once one moved over, snatch that base. Put that lash over. You gotta go back with your friends. Can you guys see? Yes, perfect. Snatch that base, right? Pick it up. Boom. Mega. Show you one more time because that one messed up a little bit. And there's going to be fans that mess up. That's perfectly fine. It's not, you know, it's a big deal, but you don't have to go crazy if your fans mess up. One more time. That was going to be 2 more times, but yeah. And I hope this is catching on camera. I know it's catching, but I hope my nails are not in the way. Boom, you see? Perfect. It has dimension and everything. So I'm going to put this as close as you can see. Y'all see that fan? It's like, hello, pick me. So I'm going to show you guys probably 2 more times on how I do it. And this is why I absolutely love Mega Volume, because it's so much you can do with a look. So many. It's not a select number of lashes that you can pick up. You just pick them up and you fan them, babies, and you see how it looks. You just fan them. And my lashes, they're not easy fan lashes, but they easy fan. So they're not easy fan lashes, but they're easy to fan, right? You see? Okay, I gotta throw my camera to shut off. But yeah, you see how gorgeous that looks. And this calls for a dramatic, voluptuous set when it's all put together. So I'm going to show you guys one more time how I do this, because I love doing Mega Volume. Okay. So, same thing. Pick it up. It like already starts to fan. So like, can you guys see that? It like already starts to fan as soon as you pick it up. Pinch the base. Do a little shimmy for me. Okay. Snatch it, pick it up. Dip it in your glue and slide it off. And there you have it. That fan, y'all see? I just messed it up doing that, but you can see. One more. I'm gonna do it one more time because that one just messed up. Like I said, guys, there's gonna be fans that mess up. It's perfectly fine, especially like when you're picking them up Mega Volumes, because you'll see how like that came open. but just grab the base and you'll be okay. And the lashes came off. See, y'all see? Perfect. So they sometimes they'll stick onto the tweezer. When you're adhering it to lashes, I don't really have problems with it sticking to the tweezer. I only have these problems when I'm trying to put it on the paper. That's why some people normally use sponges, or what else do people use? Or their hand. So some people use sponges or they put it on their hand. So I can try to put it on my hand for you guys so you can see the fan a little better. I'm out of focus, you guys. Sorry. So like I told you guys, I don't really use the shimmy method. Only with these ones. So I can try to show you the shimmy method real fast, but I don't really like it because I'm not a master at it. But I can try to show you guys real fast. So I also just snap, like use the glue and do it on the sides or whatever to snatch it real fast. And y'all see. Let's go closer on that beauty. That is a fan, honey, okay? That's a fan. So I should have been doing it on my hand this whole time to give you a better view. But as y'all can see, that is how the fan should look, okay? Let me try to do the shimmy method for you guys. So the shimmy method is just the act of like literally just shimmying it before you pick it up. And that's why I don't really like it. But I mean, you can do it. So you see. Sorry if I'm out of the camera, you guys. That's why I don't like it. Like sometimes it'll open and then I'll be left with a fan that looks like this, which is okay, but y'all see how that opened up and it divided in half. That's why I don't like the shimmy method. Some people are masters at the shimmy method and can't do the pinch method because they think it doesn't work. I'm a master at the pinch and I don't like the shimmy. Or the like pick up and then sit it back down. And then like that. I don't like doing this one either. Yeah, I don't like that. So I like the pinch method better. And y'all come back to, I'm gonna show you again the pinch method of how easy it is for me. Y'all see, like as soon as it go in my hand, I just feel like it just opens up. And with my tweezers, you guys, I am like, okay, so I'm doing this on the lashes as I'm like twisting my fingers. Perfect. So you always and forever want to just do this with the lashes to make sure that you're, you know, touching it, moving everything around and getting it to open up. That's what you want the lashes to do. You want the lashes to open up. Sorry guys, my camera's not focused. But you want the lashes to open up. So you want to just do this. And with my hands, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. I just like, I'm doing this, but I'm not doing it too hard where I gotta, you know, move it and it's like falling all over the place. I'm just gently and firmly doing this to get it to open. So it's a lot of different beliefs in it. People believe that they can just do this without pinching the tweezers and it'll work. Some people think they can just pinch the tweezers and not do this and it'll work. It's all what you like, but these are the methods that'll get you the most snatched and the best fans. So that's turned over, but it gets you the most snatched and like the best fans or whatever. So yes, I hope this stuck. Oh wow. So yes, you guys, So that is how I do my volume and my mega volume fans for my lash extensions. So you guys, if you guys would like to see me do a whole video on how I show you guys how I do the like a whole volume set or a whole mega volume set on a client, please comment below and let me know if you'd like to see that, and I will get that video to you guys ASAP. If you would like a Q&A video of how I started lashes, or why I like doing lashes, or you know, how I started my business, or anything like that, please let me know also, and I will get that out to you guys. I also do classic and hybrid lash extensions as well. Here's another view of my 21s as well. I also do classic and hybrid lash extensions as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video on that, please comment down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.